Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. And if you know, hi, hello, my name is Sandra. I will love to have you around, so you know what to do. Click subscribe down there, and then you will definitely stick around. So today's video is going to be a little bit more different, because this is not going to be a makeup tutorial or a palette update or anything like that. I really want to talk to you guys about something, because I have been thinking about doing some new stuff on my channel, and I don't know if you like to see that, so I really want your opinion on this one. So here it is. I have started as a makeup artist a few months ago, and education is a learning process for everyone, no matter what you're doing. And in my time of being on that education, I have learned some really great stuff. And that is why I have been thinking about, maybe you guys would like to hear or see a how-to video. You know, how to do easy smoky eyes, or how to do a easy Marilyn Monroe inspired look, or something like that. Anything. So I've been thinking about doing that on my channel a little bit more, and trying to learn you how to do things really easy, so it doesn't take too much effort. So I've been thinking about, maybe you guys would like to see that. You would like to see a how-to makeup look, and it's going to be a really simple and easy tutorial, so everyone can do it. So if you're sitting on the other side of the screen and thinking, oh, I really like to see how to do easy smoky eyes with only 3 products for your eyes, then leave it down below, because I would love to do that. And I know not everyone have a huge collection like me, or a larger collection. I don't have a huge collection, but I do have more product than an average person. So yeah, I just want to put it out there, or put the idea out there, and then hear what you think, because I really find it inspiring to see other YouTubers doing their makeup, and I always find some inspiration in their videos. So I was just like, I want to give back to everyone. And I want to do something that is fun and really easy. And for those of you who have not been in the makeup world for a long time, it can maybe be a little bit too difficult to see a makeup tutorial from a big YouTuber. They're always so complicated sometimes. I cannot keep up with the makeup tutorial sometimes, because like, oh, and then you have to do a cut crease like that, and that is so confusing. So that is why I have been thinking about doing some easy makeup tutorials, but you can still get the same results as a big YouTuber that has more a complicated way to do it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, leave down below if you like to see a how-to. And then I have many ideas for smoky eyes and neutral looks and everyday look and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, leave it down below, as I said. And then the other thing is doing a 1 month 1 palette, or do a 1 week 1 palette, and then do a little mini review and a swatch of my palette, because I do have a large collection of palettes, and I don't use them all, and I don't reach for them all every single day, because I only have 2 eyelids, and I cannot use 100 eyeshadow on 1 eyelid per day. So I have been thinking about doing that, because then I can see if I like the palette, and then I can show you some swatches if you have been thinking about getting the palette but you don't know yet. So I would like to hear your opinion on that as well, so leave it down below if you think that would be a good idea. So that was it. That was it for this really short video. But I just want to put my ideas out there, and then hear what you are thinking. With that said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, I love you, and then I will see you in my next video. Bye.